What's up, YouTube? Hi, my name's Eugenia. I just got an Echelon Connect Sport spin bike. I just got this bike today off Facebook Marketplace. It's the Walmart version, the one that's $500. I got it for $450. Bluetooth connectivity to the Echelon app, which I set up on my phone. I'm going to show you the bike. And it's 12:18 right now, and I actually signed up for a live Peloton, which is another thing. I started a membership with Peloton. Also, I'm trying out this video mic that I got off Amazon. I don't know how it works. I don't know how the audio will be, but we'll see. Let me show you the bike, and then I'll show you the Peloton class we're going to take, and then I'll show you how I will get my stats on the Echelon app. So I have the Peloton app and the Echelon app, and I'm gonna eventually try the Equinox Plus app at some point, but I'm starting with Peloton for 30 days. We'll see how that goes. I want to try Peloton, one, because it's a longer free trial time, and two, because everyone like raves about it. But I've been to SoulCycle multiple times. I loved my SoulCycle experience, and of course I'm in Minnesota, so I can't go to a live SoulCycle class. And on top of that, we are in the middle of a global pandemic, so there's not a way to do that. But I would like to try the SoulCycle classes at home on the Equinox Plus app, but that has a 7-day free trial and it's $40 a month. So I want to make sure that I'm in the habit of cycling before I try the SoulCycle, because I know SoulCycle was a lot harder for me. I loved it. Don't get me wrong, I went 3 days in a row and I absolutely loved it. But I remember thinking, wow, this is really difficult, and if I had a chance to go every day I would, but it would be very difficult and it would be very expensive, and it is. It's $40 a month. So anyway, I just got a notification. Peloton just gave me a notification. Your 30-minute ride starts soon. So let me show you the bike and how I have set up. We'll do our first Peloton class, which is a live class with Sam Yo. I don't know what I was thinking, but let me show you the bike. So when you walk into my room, please excuse the mess. That's my room. But I literally have it set up here because I have it so that I can watch my TV while I'm riding. And I have the Peloton app on my TV, which I signed up for, and I'm just so sorry. I'm moving in a month too, so like everything's a mess. With Sam Yo live, I said count me in. 6 minutes until start. But here's the bike. So the guy I got it from already had it set up. It's a lot lighter than it looks. Like, it's heavy and it's difficult to maneuver, but it is a lot lighter than it looks. But I have it set up here. I have my water bottle. I got this in a FabFitFun box, and I just got it today, like an hour ago, and I already switched out the pedals for clip-in pedals. I got these off Amazon because I knew I was getting this bike soon, so I just wanted to prepare, because I've got cycling shoes with the clip-in pedals, so I wanted that. And it also has the toe cages, so that if I didn't want to use the cycling shoes, I would use the toe cage. But I got it with the clip-in pedals because I found that in SoulCycle, honestly, it just felt better. And then here is my Echelon bike. So you open up the Echelon app. Who's riding? Oh, hey, Carrie. Carrie just posted a video. Is this me? I'm honestly not sure. Anyway, so you go to more, right? Then you go to freestyle ride, and then I'm not paying for anything Echelon related. I literally just want this stuff to show up right here. So the cadence, the output, the resistance. And I found a chart that shows the Peloton equivalents to Echelon, because this goes up to 32. So I found this little conversion chart, and I'm going to follow along. So let me set you up. while I start the ride.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'd be sad to say I'm sorry, so lie. Pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs. Too many things to criticize. And so I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie. Life kept spitting at my feet and forced me down a dead-end street, when all I had went up in flames, burning only dark remains. I cover up every part of my skin, oh, 'cause I don't like the person within. Oh, I know I'm the one to blame. All I can do is take the shame. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'm too sad to say I'm sorry, so lie and pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. Whoa, I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs. Too many things to criticize. So I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie. A lie. No, don't wanna live a lie. Live a lie. Ooh. I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. Oh no.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found.
Exhale, we want to get us into your heart. Give this bit
So-
of like keep yourself with the ground. Well done, team. You had the time today. Make sure to take a nice cool down. 30-minute 2,000.
Okay, so I just finished this guy's class. It's still playing the cool down right now, but oh, it's done now. But my 1 second, let me catch my breath, because I actually forgot to put a towel on my. Oh, I should stop that. I'm 100% holding on to my bike right now because I'm so dizzy. Look at the sweat. I'm sweating on my arm. On my arm. Like, do you see that? That's okay. Very first ever Peloton class. After all the hype about it, after wanting to buy a Peloton bike, after deciding I'm not gonna buy the actual Peloton. So my thoughts. Good. Loved it. As you can tell, I haven't done an actual workout in so long. Today is March 31st. So I told myself, you know, I got it today. I went and picked it up from Facebook Marketplace. I think I said that before. And I told myself, just try it. My school has a gym that has spin classes, but there's something to just, like, it's 12:30, it's the middle of the day. I have time today. I hopped on the bike. I don't have to drive anywhere. I don't have to, you know, make plans. I don't have to carry my shoes with me somewhere. The shoes are just gonna sit right there, right next to the bike. And it's in my room, so it's not in anybody's way. As a absolute beginner, okay, I've cycled before. I took cycling classes at Lifetime Fitness. I've taken Soul Cycle classes, which I absolutely loved. I went to LA back in 2018, and I went to Soul Cycle the first time. Loved it so much I came back the next day, and then the next day, like, I was in LA for 3 days, and I took Soul Cycle every day of the 3 days that I was there. My legs were very sore. My bum was very sore, which this seat is not very comfortable. So I'm definitely going to get a gel cover. Overall, very first ride with Sam Yo. Workout complete, 30-minute 2000s ride with Sam Yo. I'm absolutely happy that I got this bike. I'm glad I got it now. I know I'm going to love it. I'm going to love the bike. I'm sorry, my thoughts are all over the place. I think I'm going to go take a shower and rest. And it's been a couple of days, 3 days. Today is April 2nd, and I got the bike on the 31st, and I used it the 31st, yesterday the 1st, and today I just used it like an hour ago. I did not want to hop on to start talking when I was completely out of breath, because I was editing that video, that clip. I'm editing it right now anyway, and it wasn't making any sense because I was just, my brain was all over the place anyway. But I've been using it for 3 days now. I still love it. I took a class with Hannah yesterday. Let me just show you, because then you can just see. Sorry, today I took a class with Hannah Frankston, the 45-minute pop ride, and then yesterday I took a ride with Kendall Toole, the 45-minute pop ride. And you can see it says it twice on there. I don't know if you can even see this. Oh, there you go. This camera is so good. This is my new M50. New, I've had it for a little bit now, but it's very good. But you can see these classes says twice. That's because I started it yesterday, then I had technical difficulties and I had to stop it, and then I had to restart it. But I took Kendall, that's my very first class with Sam. Then I took Kendall, then today I took Hannah, and I am loving the pop rides. And if anyone has recommendations, I think tomorrow I want to try, and I might regret this because everyone says she's really hard, but I want to try Tunde's class. My legs are still very sore. So if she's as hard and like hardcore as everyone says she is, then I might die. But I really want to try Tunde's class. I also want to try Alex Toussaint, and I want to try Cody Rigsby. Those are the 3 that I've heard their names. So I want to try those. For my very first ride, I wanted to do something special, so I did a live class, and 30 minutes was the live one. So I've been trying the 45-minute rides, and they're just perfect. They're like, as soon as I hit that like 35-minute mark, I'm like, ooh, okay, I think I'm good. But then I'm like, it's 10 minutes more. You've got 10 minutes. It's gonna be a cool down. Like, just keep going. So I think the 45 minutes are a good way for me to go. If I were to do a 30-minute ride, it's probably because I only have 30 minutes, or maybe I would do a 30-minute and then tack on like a 10-minute cool down, because that's one thing I love about Peloton. There's like all kinds of classes from 5 minutes to 60 minutes. Like, you can do whatever you want to do. So I'm taking very full advantage of my free trial right now, and I am just doing it. Like right now, I'm not going to be cycling every day for 30 days straight. Hey, I could do that for a video. But I'm not going to. I'm just like, I've been waking up and just feeling feeling like I should. And I've been cycling early in the morning, and I'm not a morning person. But like, I wake up, I cycle, and I am awake, and I can do my homework, and which I should be doing now instead of filming this video. But no, I love it. Yesterday I went to Walmart. I got a gel seat cover, and I put it on my bike. I will insert a picture here. And I love it. My bum was so sore yesterday when I did my second ride, because it was sore from the first ride. And then I was doing a 45-minute ride yesterday, and I was just like, this is too much. I can't do it. So yesterday I went to Walmart, got a gel seat cover, and put it on there. And my bum is still sore, but it was a lot less. Like, it was just way better than yesterday. So that's a good decision for me. Good decision to get a seat cover. If you're having trouble with your bike, please just put a seat cover on it. Take some time to rest and recover, of course, but put a seat cover on it, and it's like, it doesn't go away. All the videos say you just need to get used to it. You're behind will get used to it, so it won't go away, but it will be a lot better on you, especially when you're doing like the longer rides, because yeah, I'm so excited. I love it. I love this bike. I am so glad I got it now, because honestly, I probably wouldn't have been doing any exercise. I haven't changed my eating habits. I drink Sprite like every day, but that's a whole thing for, let's not talk about it. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.